To switch between Gemini and Google Assistant on POCO M8 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the Google. Click on it, go to all services, and then scroll down until you find the assistant from Google. It's called actually Search Assistant and Voice. Select it, then move down to either Google Assistant or Gemini. Pick whichever one you want to activate. For example, if we go for Gemini, then after clicking on it, you should see a setup. But in this case, I have Gemini active, so let's select Google Assistant instead. So if you want to use Google Assistant, then click on Google Assistant, and here on this page, scroll down and look for assistants from Google. Digital assistant from Google right there. We can select Google Assistant and switch to it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.